Volume. Solid shapes occur in different shapes. These shapes are cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere. Each of these solids occupy a certain amount of space. Volume. The measure of the amount of space occupied by a solid is called its volume. Units of volume. Small volumes are measured in cubic millimeters or cubic centimeters. Big volumes are measured in cubic meters. Cubic millimeter is denoted by CUMM or mm cube. Cubic centimeter is denoted by CUCM or cm cube. Cubic meter is denoted by CUM or m cube. Volume of a cuboid and a cube. Let us consider a cuboid of length 5 cm, breadth 3 cm and height 2 cm. We may divide it into a number of cubes, each one of which is a cube of edge 1 cm as shown in the figure given below. The volume of each such cube is 1 cm cube. Clearly, 30 such cubes are formed. Therefore, volume of cuboid is equal to volume of 30 cubes of volume. 1 centimeter cube each is equal to 30 centimeter cube. From the above two examples, we observe that dimensions of cuboid, volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height. Length is equal to 5 centimeter, breadth is equal to 3 centimeter, height is equal to 1 centimeter, 30 centimeter cube, 5 into 3 into 2 is equal to 30 cu units. Hence we have volume of a cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. Since a cube is cuboid in which length is equal to breadth is equal to height, so volume of a cube is equal to side into side into side cubic units. Example 4. The length, breadth and height of a cuboid are 16 cm, 12 cm and 8 cm respectively. Find its volume. Solution. Length of a cuboid is equal to 16 cm. Breadth of the cuboid is equal to 12 cm. Height of the cuboid is equal to 8 cm. Volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to 16 into 12 into 8 centimeter cube is equal to 1536 centimeter cube. Hence, the volume of the cuboid is 1536 centimeter cube. Example 2. Find the volume of a cube whose each edge measures 6 centimeter. Solution. Length of each side of the cube is equal to 6 centimeter. Volume of the cube is equal to side into side into side centimeter cube is equal to 6 into 6 into 6 centimeter cube is equal to 216 centimeter cube. Hence, the volume of the cube is 216 centimeter cube. Example 3. How many bricks, each 25 centimeter long, 16 centimeter wide and 7.5 centimeter thick will be required to build a terrace 5 meter long, 3 meter broad and 80 centimeter high? Solution. Length of the terrace is equal to 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Breadth of the terrace is equal to 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Height of the terrace is equal to 80 centimeter. Volume of the terrace is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to 500 into 300 into 80 centimeter cube. Length of brick is equal to 25 centimeter. Breadth of brick is equal to 16 centimeter. Thickness of brick is equal to 7.5 centimeter. Volume of a brick is equal to length into breadth into height is equal to 25 into 16 into 7.5 centimeter cube. Therefore, the number of bricks is equal to 500 into 300 into 80 upon 25 into 16 into 7.5 required is 4000. Hence, the number of bricks required is 4000.